The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a tornado warning for Sussex County in New Jersey until 10:45 p.m. At 10:04 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 60 miles from near Warren, moving southwest at 45 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Deadly tornado and 10 centimeter size hail of up to 26 centimeters in diameter. Weather spotters confirm tornado. You are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. Repeating, a tornado warning is issued for Sussex County, New Jersey until 10:45 p.m.